चाहिए। बाबूजी तो है सर भाई सबसे आगे खड़े हैं हाँ भैया यही
हाई लेवल देखिए बहुत कल्याण
नहीं ठीक कर भैया
भैया पीछे में क्या
अस्सी तीनों 70 तो वो ज्यादा नहीं चाहिए सर ये भी ऐसा वो सही टेस्ट कारा फोन करने
भाई का फायदा उठाते हुए सबको धक्का मुक्की मारते हुए सबसे आगे हमारे वाइस प्रेसिडेंट मिले। ये भैया सुनील भैया इसमें लटका लग रहा है। हमें भी होनी चाहिए अपने आप को पहले बताओ। ज्यादा है तो आधा चलते पैर में लगेगा ज्यादा आगे जाओगे थोड़ा ज्यादा हो तेज हमारे सामने उधर रखो। चलिए हम कैमरा ना रखना। यहाँ
जितने भी जमाना नहीं अच्छे कर सकता मैंने आवाज पता खोल लगा कि आवाज जा रही कि नहीं।
No clapping during the court proceeding. Mike. Please observe a restraint of clapping or any other such activity during the court proceedings.
My esteemed brother, Justice Devendra Kumar Upadhyay ji, his better half, Dr. Purnima Bajpayee, other family members. My esteemed sister and brother judges, Shri Anand Mani Tripathi, President Awadh Bar Association, Shri Amit Kumar Srivastav, Senior Bar President, High Court Bar Association, Allahabad, Shri Pradeep Kumar, President Advocate Association, High Court, Allahabad, Shri Shashi Prakash ji, Additional Solicitor General of India, Shri Ajay Kumar Mishra, Advocate General of Uttar Pradesh, learned senior advocates, learned state law officers, learned members of the bar, officers of the registry, ladies and gentlemen. We have assembled here to bid affectionate farewell to Brother Justice Devendra Kumar Upadhyay on his appointment as Chief Justice of Bombay. Brother Upadhyay, son of R.A. Upadhyay and Srimati Rajkumari, was born on June 16, 1965 in the district Ambikapur Nagar, Ambedkar Nagar. After completing his primary school education from Colvin Taluka College, Lucknow, Justice Upadhyay did his LLB from Lucknow University in the year 1991 and got enrolled himself as an advocate in the year 1991 and initially practiced in his father's chamber. Later he joined Sri Muhammad Arif Khan and Shri S.K. Kalia, Senior Advocate, where he gained recognition in a remarkable short span of time. Notably, he established himself as a reputed lawyer in the Allahabad High Court, handling a wide range of cases in civil and constitutional law. Brother Upadhyay was appointed as Chief Standing Counsel, the State of Uttar Pradesh, in May 2007 and continued in that office till his elevation as an additional judge of this court on November 21, 2011. Later, he was appointed as a permanent judge on August 6, 2013 and designated as Senior Judge of the High Court Lucknow Bench on March 28, 2023. As a judge of this court, Justice Upadhyay displayed deep dedication towards his judicial responsibility by deciding substantial number of cases. He is an outstanding judge, complete in all respect. In addition to his role as Senior Judge, Lucknow Bench, and member of the Administrative Committee, he also worked as chairman of various committees of this court. As the chairperson of the Supervisory Committee of Judicial Training and Research Institute, Lucknow, Justice Upadhyay inspired and motivated the newly inducted judicial officers through his lectures and also took prompt decisions for better administration of institute. His remarkable work, ethics, and exceptional judicial prowess make him an exceptional and a very hardworking judge. His patience and humility are writ large in all that he did. He has always been eager, ready, and willing to address every problem placed before him. In my first meeting with Brother Upadhyay, when I met him at Lucknow, I found him to be a different man. Gradually, we became closer and started sharing matters, be it of administrative side or personal. He took my personal care without asking me for the same. In most of my problems, he particularly the understanding about the judges of the bar, he acted as a mediator, and most of the problems were solved by him very easily. His remarkable personality, qualities, and ability to engage with members of the bar and court staff have left a lasting impression and widespread administration. As a result, he has garnered respect and affection from the legal professions, earned the trust of the litigants, received support of better judges, and forthwith cooperation with the judicial and administrative system. His father, R.A. Upadhyay, has been practicing at the Board of Revenue for last 60 years, and his mother, Srimati Rajkumari, is a homemaker. Dr. Purnima Bajpayee is his spouse as a professor in the Department of Botany at Lucknow University, has been constant source of strength and inspiration for him. Justice Upadhyay readily endeared himself all his companion judges and developed long-lasting friendship with all of us. As he prepares to shoulder greater responsibilities as Chief Justice of High Court of Bombay, we say that we will miss you. Brother Upadhyay, I on my own behalf and on behalf of my sister and brother judges, wish you all the very best for your next assignment as the Chief Justice of High Court of Bombay, which we are sure would pave your way for further achievement. Thank you.
Honorable Mr. Justice Pratinkar Diwakar, Chief Justice High Court of Uttar Pradesh, Honorable Mr. Justice D.K. Upadhyay, Designate Chief Justice of Bombay High Court, other honorable judges sitting at Allahabad and Lucknow High Court, Mr. Amit Kumar Srivastava, Senior Vice President, High Court Bar Association, Allahabad, Mr. Pradeep Kumar, President, Advocates Association, High Court, Allahabad, Sri Ajay Kumar, Mr. Sasi Prakash Singh, Additional Solicitor General of India, Sri Ajay Kumar Mishra, Advocate General of Uttar Pradesh, learned senior advocates, Allahabad and Lucknow High Court, respected members of the Awadh Bar Association, High Court Bar Association, and Advocates Bar Association, High Court Allahabad, Central Government Standing Councils, the learned state law officers, members of the registry, and family members of Honorable Mr. Justice D.K. Upadhyay, particularly his father, mother, sister, and better half, Dr. Purnima Bajpayee. My esteemed colleagues, brothers and sisters, today we have assembled here to bid farewell to Honorable the Senior Judge of Lucknow High Court, now designate Chief Justice of Bombay High Court, my Lord Mr. Justice Devendra Kumar Upadhyay, who is remitting his office and leaving for Bombay High Court to adorn the chair as Honorable Chief Justice of Bombay High Court. Feeling are mixed, sad because my Lord Justice Devendra Kumar Upadhyay is leaving us, and joy of that he is leaving for good to adorn the better office and do more for the institution and the fraternity. Today's moment of pride and joy as we celebrate his illustrious journey and bid him adieu as he embark on a new chapter in his career. We are here to honor the brilliance of a man who has made an indelible mark in the legal fraternity, leaving an enduring legacy that will continue to inspire generation to come. Justice Upadhyay's journey in the world of law began with deep roots in the profession. Born into a family of lawyers, he inherited not just a name, but also a passion for justice and equality. With an unwavering determination and an insatiable thirst for knowledge, he pursued his dreams, graduation in law from Lucknow University in 1991. He was then enrolled as an advocate on May 11, 1991, and soon commenced his practice in civil and constitutional sides at the esteemed Lucknow High Court. His rise to prominence was meritorious, and his keen legal acumen and unwavering commitment to upholding the principles of justice gained recognition among his peers and legal community. His father's footsteps guided and inspired him, and he diligently followed the path of rightness laid down by his legal lineage. As an advocate, Justice Upadhyay displayed exceptional ability in handling intricate legal matters, coupled with a compassionate approach towards those seeking justice. His deep empathy and understanding of the human condition made him stand out, earning him his respect of both colleagues and adversaries alike. Justice Upadhyay, before elevation, adorned the office of Chief Standing Counsel of Lucknow High Court. On November 21, 2011, his extraordinary contribution were recognized when he was elevated as an additional judge. It was a defining moment in his career, and he continued to serve the cause of justice with unparalleled dedication and integrity. On August 6, 2013, he took oath as a permanent judge, solidifying his position as a beacon of hope and fairness in the legal realm. Throughout his tenure, Justice Upadhyay has exemplified his ideas of justice and equity, ensuring that the rule of law remains paramount in our society. His landmark judgments have not only shaped the legal landscape, but also set new standards for the protection of rights and personal liberties of the people. Beyond the courtroom, he has been an inspirational mentor of young lawyers, fostering a new generation of legal minds who will carry forward his legacy for justice and rightness. Today, as he prepares to take on momentous responsibility as Chief Justice of the Bombay High Court, we extend our warmest congratulations on this well-deserved promotion. While we bid farewell to him at the Lucknow High Court, we know that his impact on the legal world will only grow, and he will continue to serve the cause of justice with unwavering dedication. Justice Upadhyay, your journey from a young law graduate to the Chief Standing Counsel and then to a judge of this honorable court has been inspiring and remarkable. Your unwavering commitment to justice and your dedication to upholding the rule of law have inspired us all. As you embark on this new and exciting chapter, we wish you very success, knowing that you will leave an indelible mark on the Bombay High Court, just as you have done here in Lucknow. May your tenure as Chief Justice be filled with triumph, continued wisdom, and an unwavering commitment to justice. Before we part, a request from the fraternity members to reserve a space for Awadh and Awadh Bar Association in your heart always. Thank you, Honorable Mr. Justice Devendra Kumar Upadhyay, for your invaluable contribution to the Lucknow High Court and the legal fraternity, and we eagerly await the great strides you will make in your new role. Farewell from Lakshman Puri, and may your journey in the lands of Mumba Devi be blessed with prosperity and fulfillment. Thank you.
परम श्रद्धेय माननीय मुख्य न्यायमूर्ति श्री प्रीतिंकर दिवाकर जी एवं कार्यक्रम में उपस्थित माननीय न्यायमूर्तिगण, माननीय नवनियुक्त मुख्य न्यायमूर्ति बॉम्बे उच्च न्यायालय श्री देवेंद्र कुमार उपाध्याय जी, श्री आनंद त्रिपाठी जी अध्यक्ष अवध बार एसोसिएशन लखनऊ, श्री प्रदीप कुमार जी वरिष्ठ अधिवक्ता अध्यक्ष एडवोकेट एसोसिएशन इलाहाबाद, श्री शशि प्रकाश सिंह जी वरिष्ठ अधिवक्ता एडिशनल सॉलिसिटर जनरल ऑफ इंडिया, श्री अजय कुमार मिश्र जी वरिष्ठ अधिवक्ता महाधिवक्ता उत्तर प्रदेश, श्री राजीव भारती जी महानिबंधक माननीय उच्च न्यायालय व उपस्थित अन्य विद्वान न्यायिक अधिकारीगण, हमारे परम श्रद्धेय वरिष्ठ अधिवक्ता गण, साथ ही विद्वान अधिवक्ता गण, रजिस्ट्री के समस्त योग अधिकारी गण, परम स्नेही देवियों व सज्जनों, माननीय वरिष्ठ न्यायमूर्ति श्री देवेंद्र कुमार उपाध्याय जी के बॉम्बे उच्च न्यायालय के मुख्य न्यायमूर्ति नियुक्त होने पर उनके विदाई के अवसर पर मुझे बोलने का अवसर प्राप्त हुआ। मैं अपने आप को भाग्यशाली मानता हूँ। माननीय न्यायमूर्ति श्री देवेंद्र कुमार उपाध्याय जी के बॉम्बे उच्च न्यायालय के मुख्य न्यायमूर्ति नियुक्त होने की सूचना पर हाई कोर्ट बार एसोसिएशन इलाहाबाद के सभी सदस्यों में पूरे हर्ष एवं उल्लास का माहौल उत्पन्न हो गया है। माननीय जी का जन्म 16 जून 1965 को हुआ था। आपने वर्ष 1991 में कानून की उपाधि प्राप्त की। दिनांक 11/5/91 को अधिवक्ता के रूप में पंजीकृत होने के बाद माननीय उच्च न्यायालय इलाहाबाद लखनऊ में विशेष रूप से सिविल व संवैधानिक मामलों के अंतर्गत विधि व्यवसाय का पुनीत कार्य प्रारंभ किया। आपने दिनांक 21/11/2011 को माननीय उच्च न्यायालय इलाहाबाद के न्यायमूर्ति के रूप में पद व गोपनीयता की शपथ ग्रहण की। माननीय मुख्य न्यायमूर्ति बॉम्बे उच्च न्यायालय श्री देवेंद्र कुमार उपाध्याय जी अद्भुत मेधा के धनी व स्वच्छ छवि व अपार पारदर्शिता की प्रतिमूर्ति हैं। आपका न्यायिक क्षेत्र में मुकदमे के निस्तारण में अतुलनीय सहयोग रहा है। आप अनवरत रूप से विभिन्न निश्चयों के माध्यम से हमारे प्रेरणा स्रोत रहे हैं। सम्मानित विद्वान वक्ताओं के मध्य आपकी छवि अमिट रहेगी। माननीय जी, बॉम्बे उच्च न्यायालय के मुख्य न्यायमूर्ति के रूप में नियुक्त होने के नाते भारत सरकार ने आपको एक उत्कृष्ट कार्य सौंपा है। हम माननीय से अपेक्षा करते हैं कि बॉम्बे उच्च न्यायालय में माननीय न्यायमूर्ति के रूप में बार के प्रति समांतर भावना रखते हुए माननीय उच्च न्यायालय इलाहाबाद की गरिमा को और अधिक बढ़ाने में आपकी भूमिका सराहनीय रहेगी। मैं हाई कोर्ट बार एसोसिएशन के समस्त सदस्यों की ओर से ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करता हूं कि आपके लिए बॉम्बे उच्च न्यायालय मात्र एक पड़ाव के रूप में ही रहे और माननीय जी आप एक अग्रिम सीढ़ी पर आरूढ़ होकर माननीय उच्चतम न्यायालय के न्यायाधीश के रूप में आसीन हो। पुनः इन्हीं मंगल कामनाओं के साथ आपको उसी स्फूर्ति और उत्साह के साथ माननीय उच्च न्यायालय बॉम्बे में भी अपनी अमिट छाप छोड़े जैसा आपने माननीय उच्च न्यायालय इलाहाबाद में छोड़कर विदा ले रहे हैं। समस्त शुभकामनाओं सहित सादर प्रणाम।
ये बड़े हर्ष का विषय है कि उच्च न्यायालय इलाहाबाद के वर्तमान वरिष्ठतम न्यायाधीश न्यायमूर्ति श्री देवेंद्र कुमार उपाध्याय जी का विदाई समारोह भव्यता के साथ मनाया जा रहा है, जिसमें उच्च न्यायालय इलाहाबाद के मुख्य न्यायाधीश श्री पीतांकर दिवाकर के साथ साथ उच्च न्यायालय के सभी न्यायाधीशगण हमारे बीच उपस्थित हैं। साथ ही साथ इस समारोह की वीडियो संपर्क के माध्यम से लखनऊ पीठ के न्यायाधीशगण की उपस्थिति के साथ यह आयोजन संपन्न हो रहा है। मैं मुख्य न्यायाधिपति एवं अन्य सभी उपस्थित न्यायमूर्तिगण, महाधिवक्ता उत्तर प्रदेश श्री अजय कुमार मिश्रा, अपर सॉलिसिटर जनरल भारत श्री शशि प्रकाश और इलाहाबाद बार एसोसिएशन के वरिष्ठ उपाध्यक्ष श्री अमित कुमार श्रीवास्तव, सभी उपस्थित वरिष्ठ अधिवक्तागण तथा अन्य उपस्थित अधिवक्तागण का इस अवसर पर अभिवादन करता हूं। न्यायमूर्ति श्री देवेंद्र कुमार उपाध्याय जी को उच्च न्यायालय मुंबई के मुख्य न्यायाधीश होने पर शुभकामना एवं बधाई भी प्रेषित करता हूं। यह सौभाग्य की बात है कि आज पुनः एक सप्ताह के अंदर इस विदाई समारोह का आयोजन करने का अवसर इलाहाबाद उच्च न्यायालय को प्राप्त हुआ है और इस उच्च न्यायालय के दो वरिष्ठतम न्यायाधीश क्रमशः गुजरात और बंबई उच्च न्यायालय के मुख्य न्यायाधीश के पदों पर भारत की महामहिम राष्ट्रपति श्रीमती द्रौपदी मुर्मू द्वारा नियुक्त किए गए हैं। उत्तर प्रदेश राज्य और एशिया के सबसे बड़े इलाहाबाद उच्च न्यायालय को यह गर्व प्राप्त हो रहा है, जिसके लिए मैं महामान्या जी के प्रति उच्च न्यायालय इलाहाबाद और लखनऊ पीठ की ओर से कृतज्ञता व्यक्त करता हूं। न्यायमूर्ति श्री देवेंद्र कुमार उपाध्याय मूल रूप से अंबेडकर नगर उत्तर प्रदेश में 16 जून 1965 को जन्मे। लखनऊ विश्वविद्यालय से विधि स्नातक के शिक्षा ग्रहण करने के बाद मई 1991 में वकालत लखनऊ पीठ में प्रारंभ की और उच्च न्यायालय के अधिवक्ता के रूप में उन्होंने अपना स्थान बनाया। वकालत में आने से पहले न्यायमूर्ति श्री उपाध्याय ने उन्मुक्त पत्रकारिता, जो उनके रुचि का सब्जेक्ट था, उसमें भी अपने आलेख प्रकाशित कराए थे। न्यायमूर्ति श्री उपाध्याय के पिता श्री राम अवतार उपाध्याय राजस्व परिषद लखनऊ के जाने माने अधिवक्ता के रूप में लखनऊ में प्रतिष्ठित हैं। श्री राम अवतार उपाध्याय जी ने बड़ी कर्मठता के साथ राजस्व परिषद में 20 पितामह के रूप में वकालत की है और वही संस्कार उन्होंने अपने योग्य पुत्र श्री उपाध्याय को दिए। न्यायमूर्ति श्री उपाध्याय उच्च न्यायालय इलाहाबाद की लखनऊ पीठ के वरिष्ठ अधिवक्ता मोहम्मद आरिफ खान के जूनियर रहे। कालांतर में वो वरिष्ठ अधिवक्ता श्री एस.के. कालिया से जुड़कर लखनऊ पीठ के सुयोग्य अधिवक्ता हुए। न्यायमूर्ति श्री उपाध्याय पूर्व में न्यायाधीश होने से पहले उत्तर प्रदेश शासन के मुख्य स्थायी अधिवक्ता लखनऊ पीठ उच्च न्यायालय इलाहाबाद में 2007 में नियुक्त हुए थे। उन्होंने सिविल और संवैधानिक क्षेत्र में दक्षता निपुणता के साथ वकालत की। न्यायमूर्ति श्री उपाध्याय 21 नवंबर 2011 को अतिरिक्त न्यायाधीश के रूप में राष्ट्रपति द्वारा नियुक्त किए गए। उनको स्थायी न्यायाधीश 6 अगस्त 2013 में बनाया गया। न्यायमूर्ति श्री उपाध्याय मृदभाषी हैं और न्यायालय कक्ष की में गरिमा के साथ अधिवक्ताओं को सुनवाई का पूर्ण अवसर न्याय देने में प्रदान करने के लिए जाने जाते हैं। उनकी वादकारी का संविधान की परिधि में सही न्याय प्रदान करने का सदैव जिज्ञासा रहती है। न्यायमूर्ति श्री उपाध्याय की सहभागिनी श्रीमती डॉक्टर पूर्णिमा वाजपेयी लखनऊ विश्वविद्यालय में वनस्पति विज्ञान विभाग की प्रोफेसर के पद पर कार्यरत हैं और वह एक सुशिक्षित विदुषी महिला हैं और न्यायमूर्ति श्री उपाध्याय को अपना पूर्ण सहयोग उनको कार्य करने में प्रदान करती है। मैं न्यायमूर्ति श्री उपाध्याय व उनकी धर्मपत्नी के उज्जवल भविष्य का ईश्वर से कामना करता हूं। मैं यह बताना अपना कर्तव्य समझता हूं कि न्यायमूर्ति श्री उपाध्याय ने अनेक निर्णय दिए हैं, जो अभी हाल में 2 निर्णय उनके बहुत महत्वपूर्ण मुझे लगे, उनका मैं उल्लेख करना चाहता हूं। एक निर्णय विशेष अपील संख्या 403/2023 में है, जिसमें उन्होंने 6/7/2023 को यह उद्घोषित सिद्धांत प्रतिपादित किया है कि किसी भी HIV पॉजिटिव व्यक्ति को सेवा में पदोन्नति के मिलने वाले लाभ से उसकी रुग्णता के आधार पर वंचित नहीं किया जाएगा। और इसी प्रकार एक अन्य निर्णय नगरीय चुनाव उत्तर प्रदेश में आरक्षण की जो भ्रमित व्यवस्था उत्पन्न हुई थी, उस पर उन्होंने दिया है, जो दिनांक 27/12/2022 को वैभव पांडे बनाम उत्तर प्रदेश शासन आदि के रूप में प्रचलित है, जिसमें आरक्षण को सही प्रकार से बिना आके जो अधिसूचना नगरीय चुनाव की जारी की गई थी, उसे आपास्त किया। मैं अपनी ओर से व एडवोकेट एसोसिएशन के सदस्यों की ओर से न्यायमूर्ति श्री देवेंद्र कुमार उपाध्याय को बंबई उच्च न्यायालय में मुख्य न्यायाधीश होने पर पुनः बधाई देता हूं और उनके परिवार का स्वस्थ और उज्जवल भविष्य की ईश्वर से कामना करता हूं।
माननीय न्यायमूर्ति श्री प्रीतंकर दिवाकर जी, मुख्य न्यायाधीश इलाहाबाद उच्च न्यायालय, माननीय न्यायमूर्ति श्री देवेंद्र कुमार उपाध्याय, मनोनीत मुख्य न्यायाधीश बॉम्बे उच्च न्यायालय तथा इलाहाबाद उच्च न्यायालय के सम्मानित न्यायमूर्तिगण, श्रीमती पूर्णिमा वाजपेयी, धर्मपत्नी श्री देवेंद्र कुमार उपाध्याय तथा उनके परिवार के अन्य सदस्य, श्री अजय कुमार मिश्र, महाधिवक्ता उत्तर प्रदेश, श्री आनंदमणि त्रिपाठी, अध्यक्ष अवध बार एसोसिएशन, श्री अमित कुमार श्रीवास्तव, वरिष्ठ उपाध्यक्ष हाईकोर्ट बार एसोसिएशन, श्री प्रदीप कुमार, अध्यक्ष एडवोकेट एसोसिएशन इलाहाबाद हाईकोर्ट, इस न्याय कक्ष में उपस्थित सभी वरिष्ठ एवं कनिष्ठ अधिवक्ता मित्र, सम्मानित अतिथिगण एवं रजिस्ट्री के सदस्य, आज हम पुनः अपने बीच से एक वरिष्ठ न्यायमूर्ति को विदा देने के लिए उपस्थित हैं। हमारे बीच से माननीय न्यायमूर्ति श्री देवेंद्र कुमार उपाध्याय भारत सरकार द्वारा बॉम्बे उच्च न्यायालय के माननीय मुख्य न्यायाधीश नियुक्त होने के अवसर पर हमारे बीच से विदा हो रहे हैं। विदाई अपने आप में एक दुखद अनुभूति होती है, परंतु यदि अपना आत्मीय प्रगति कर रहा है और उन्नति की ओर अग्रसर होता है, तो उस विदा के वेला में भी सुख का और प्रसन्नता की अनुभूति होती है। आज ऐसी स्थिति में हम लोग हैं और आज हम प्रसन्नता से अभिभूत हैं। माननीय न्यायमूर्ति जी आज हमसे विदा हो रहे हैं, इस अवसर पर हम उन्हें हार्दिक बधाई देते हैं। माननीय न्यायमूर्ति देवेंद्र कुमार उपाध्याय का जन्म 16 जून 1965 को हुआ था। आप वर्ष 1991 में विधि स्नातक की उपाधि प्राप्त करने के पश्चात अधिवक्ता के रूप में पंजीकृत हुए। अधिवक्ता के रूप में आपने सिविल तथा संवैधानिक विषयों में विशेषज्ञता प्राप्त की थी। विशेष रूप से राजस्व क्षेत्र में आपकी विशेष योग्यता थी। आपके पिता श्री आर्य उपाध्याय लखनऊ के राजस्व के प्रतिष्ठित अधिवक्ता हैं। आपकी पत्नी श्रीमती पूर्णिमा वाजपेयी लखनऊ विश्वविद्यालय के वनस्पति विज्ञान विभाग के आचार्य हैं। इसके पूर्व वे भारतीय विश्वविज्ञान संस्थान लखनऊ में वैज्ञानिक के पद पर रह चुकी हैं। विधि क्षेत्र में प्रवेश करने के पूर्व आपने कुछ समय के लिए पत्रकारिता भी की है। वर्ष 2011 में इस उच्च न्यायालय के अतिरिक्त न्यायमूर्ति के रूप में आपने शपथ ली तथा उसके पूर्व आप उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार के मुख्य स्थायी अधिवक्ता भी रह चुके हैं। आपने 6 अगस्त 2013 को स्थायी न्यायमूर्ति के रूप में शपथ ली। तब से आज तक न्यायमूर्ति के पद पर रहते हुए आपने नवीन मानदंडों को स्थापित किया है। मुझे आपको अधिवक्ता के रूप में कार्य करते हुए देखने का अवसर प्राप्त हुआ है और मैं सदैव आपके अपने केस की तैयारी के प्रति अत्यंत गंभीर पाता रहा हूँ। न्यायमूर्ति के रूप में भी आप न्याय के नवीन सिद्धांतों को प्रतिपादित किया है और उनकी व्याख्या की है। कनिष्ठ अधिवक्ताओं के लिए आप सदैव प्रेरणा स्रोत रहे हैं। मैं समझता हूँ लखनऊ बेंच के कनिष्ठ अधिवक्ता साथियों को आपकी अनुपस्थिति की अनुभूति सदैव होती रहेगी। आप बॉम्बे जैसे बड़े उच्च न्यायालय के मुख्य न्यायाधीश के रूप में जा रहे हैं। हमारे उस उच्च न्यायालय तथा विशेष रूप से अवध बार के लिए यह अत्यंत गौरव का विषय है। मुझे विश्वास है कि आप अपनी क्षमता से इस न्यायालय तथा अवध बार का नाम मुंबई जैसे महानगर में भी उजागर करेंगे तथा आप एक सफल मुख्य न्यायाधीश सिद्ध होंगे। माननीय न्यायमूर्ति उपाध्याय जी के लिए मेरी हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं हैं। वे शीघ्र ही सर्वोच्च न्यायालय में न्यायमूर्ति के रूप में प्रतिष्ठित हों, ऐसी हम सबकी मनोकामना है। मैं इस अवसर पर अपनी ओर से भारत सरकार की ओर से तथा भारत सरकार के समस्त अधिवक्ता बंधुओं की ओर से हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देता हूं तथा उनके मंगल भविष्य की कामना करता हूं।
Most respected, my Lord, Honorable the Chief Justice, Dinkar Divakar, Honorable Mr. Justice Devendra Kumar Upadhyay, Senior Judge and Chief Justice Designate of the Bombay High Court. All honorable judges on the dais, the Allahabad High Court, as well as on the Lucknow bench, the High Court. Shri Anand Mani Tripathi, President, North Bar Association. Shri Amit Kumar Srivastava, Senior Vice President, High Court Bar Association, Allahabad. Shri Pradeep Kumar, President, Advocate Association, High Court, Allahabad. Shri Shashi Prakash Singh, Additional Solicitor General of India. Respected senior advocates, member of the registry, all esteemed members of the bar, and especially all the family members of Honorable Mr. Justice D.K. Upadhyay who are present here. Today, we happily gather here to bid farewell to a distinguished member of our legal fraternity, Honorable Mr. Justice Devendra Kumar Upadhyay, who has been appointed as the Chief Justice of the Bombay High Court. It is a moment of great pride and emotion as we celebrate his remarkable achievements in the legal fraternity. Born into an illustrious legal family, his Lordship's father, Mr. R.A. Upadhyay, is a prominent leading lawyer in Lucknow. His Lordship's passion for law was evident from the very beginning. Graduating in law from the Lucknow University in 1991, he wasted no time in pursuing his calling as he enrolled as an advocate on May 11, 1991. With dedication and determination, he practiced on the civil and constitutional side at the Allahabad High Court Lucknow bench, leaving an indelible mark in the legal landscape. In recognition of his merit and hard work, Honorable Mr. Justice Upadhyay was appointed as the Chief Standing Counsel for the state of Uttar Pradesh in the month of May 2007. Additionally, he was also entrusted with representing various central and state bodies as their counsel. He was elevated as an additional judge on November 21st of 2011. Thereafter, the brilliance of his legal mind and his unwavering pursuits of fairness led him to take oath as permanent judge of this honorable court on 6th of August 2013, marking another milestone
in his illustrious career. Throughout his journey, Justice Upadhyay has exemplified the finest qualities of a judge. His profound understanding of the law, coupled with his compassionate approach, has earned him admiration and respect from peers, the legal community, and society at large. Justice Upadhyay's illustrious career is adorned with innumerable landmark judgments, each of which stands as a testament to his profound legal acumen and unwavering commitment to justice. Although time constraints prevent us from delving upon the specifics of these judgments in the present speech, however, these innumerable judgments are available in law journals and have been set in stone for all lawyers, including the law student, to study and learn therefrom, and serve as a guiding light for future generation in the pursuit of justice. As he assumes the esteemed position of Chief Justice of the Bombay High Court, we extend our heartfelt congratulations. His appointment is not only a testament to his legal acumen, but also a recognition of his leadership qualities. Under his guidance, we are certain that the pursuit of justice will be fortified and the principles of law will be upheld with utmost integrity. As the Advocate General of the state of UP, I have had the privilege of appearing before my Lord while representing the state of Uttar Pradesh. I consider myself fortunate to have witnessed firsthand the profound impact His Lordship has had on our judicial system. As we bid farewell to Honorable Mr. Justice D.K. Upadhyay, let us joyously celebrate his exceptional contribution to the legal profession and the judiciary. We wholeheartedly wish him immense success and fulfillment and pray that he continues to be adorned with many more bigger achievements in future. Lastly, I thank all the constitutional functionaries who are involved in the elevation of Honorable Mr. Justice D.K. Upadhyay as the Chief Justice of the prestigious Bombay High Court. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Honorable Shri Justice Pritinkar Divakar, Chief Justice of our High Court, my esteemed brother and sister judges of this court, both at Allahabad and Lucknow, Shri Anand Mani Tripathi, President, Awadh Bar Association, Shri Amit Kumar, Senior Vice President, High Court Bar Association at Allahabad, Shri Pradeep Kumar, President, Advocates Association, High Court at Allahabad, Shri Shashi Prakash Singh, Learned Additional Solicitor General of India, Shri Ajay Kumar Mishra, Learned Advocate General, Government of Uttar Pradesh, Senior Advocates, Learned State Law Officers, Learned Members of Bar Associations, Officers and Members of Registry, my family members present here today. First of all, I express my deepest gratitude to all present here as well as to those who are not present for all the support, love, and affection showered on me in my journey in this court, which started in the year 1991. I do not know whether I deserve the richly spoken words bestowed upon me in my appreciation. After all, I am a human being and to err is human. To say that I am leaving this court in Lucknow will not be a correct expression to define this moment. It is only that the divine had entrusted me a task which I am finishing today. Whether I have accomplished this task or not is something I again leave it to all present here to judge. All I can say on this occasion is that all along these years, in the precincts of this court, both in the bar and on the bench, I have immensely enjoyed affection and goodwill from all corners. It has been my belief, and I hold it to my heart, that I owe a debt to the society, to this nation, to the system, and to all of you, which I have to repay. Believe me, in whatever capacity I have functioned in my life, this has been the mantra which I have followed with a sense of responsibility. And I assure you that wherever I go, you will always find me sticking to this mantra, which in essence has become my philosophy of life. Despite the fact that sometimes some things are not reflecting well on the judicial system today, but I still hold our judiciary is one of the most robust judicial institutions throughout the globe. One thing I have always emphasized and will reiterate today as well is that credibility is the hallmark of any judicial system, which primarily depends on the faith and trust of the people deposed in the system. On this yardstick, it is my view that we as members of judicial fraternity enjoy the trust of the people who look up to the judicial system in the country in the time of distress. The moment we lose the trust and faith of the common people, we shall lose our credibility, which will be difficult to regain, and therefore independence of judiciary is to be guarded jealously. On any occasion like today, it is but natural that anyone would travel back down the memory lane. As you all know, I have been a latecomer in the legal profession. I initially worked with my father and learned at his feet the basic contours of law, and then I joined the chambers of Shri Muhammad Arif Khan, senior advocate, who taught me the etiquettes in and outside the court as a professional lawyer. I thereafter worked in the chambers of Shri S.K. Kalia, senior advocate of this court, where the freedom and opportunity which I got to work are unparalleled. Merely by shrugging my shoulders with my fellow colleagues in his chambers, I learned the finer nuances of legal practice. For shaping my career as a lawyer, contribution of all these persons will never be forgotten. My father, on day one of entering into the profession, taught me that a lawyer has to live like a hermit and work like a horse. I tried to follow his invaluable teaching throughout. My senior, Shri Muhammad Arif Khan, gave me the best of the professional tips for drafting and arguing cases. I am indebted to him. Shri S.K. Kalia is not an individual. Rather, he is an institution in himself. His way of developing the junior lawyers and his associates in his chambers is admirable. The sparkle in his eyes while making a point to his junior associate is unbound. His unqualified love and mentorship have been unique, and he played the major role in shaping me and meeting the challenges of life, both professionally and personally. Kindly permit me to share an anecdote of my professional life in his chambers. I was entrusted to draft a writ petition challenging an order passed by the then District Magistrate Aligarh, who incidentally happens to be my friend and a classmate. We had studied together, and thereafter he wrote civil services examination and got through it and became a member of Indian Administrative Service. I was sitting in the chamber with the brief at around 6 o'clock in the evening, and suddenly a sense of nothingness engulfed me, and I thought, look here, he is my friend. We have studied together, and he is handling a whole district. What am I doing being a junior counsel here? I was giving a very gloomy look on my face, and suddenly Shri Kalia entered the chambers and asked me, what happened? Why are you giving such a dejected look? I told him what all was going in my mind. Then the words of wisdom and encouragement which fell from his mouth were wonderful. He said, your friend is handling only a district, and you are handling the Constitution of India. At that very moment, all despair, which has been troubling me, just withered away in thin air. I drafted the petition, presented it in the court, and got some favorable orders. I salute him from the core of my heart. This insignificant anecdote I told you, especially keeping in mind the younger lot of the lawyers who are struggling to make their mark in the profession. Farewells are the times generally described as a moment of simultaneous joy and grief. However, I take it in a slightly different stride. Bhagavad Gita says, Sukhe dukhe same krutva labha labho jaya jayo. Rest of the line I am not reading. This means in the time of happiness or distress or loss or gain or victory or defeat, a person needs to have the same state of mind. Today is the time for me to seek forgiveness. If I have ever knowingly or unknowingly hurt anyone, I may be forgiven. I am indebted to all my family members, my father, my mother, and my sisters, my wife, Dr. Purnima Bajpayee, who has stood with me in all odd hours and has given me unwavering support and strength to move on the path I chose for my life. I am especially thankful to my brothers-in-law, sisters-in-law, and all my nephews and nieces. I am feeling indebted to my private secretaries, Shri Sanjay Pratap Singh, Shri T. Lakshmanan Kumar, Shri Akhleshwar Kumar, and Ms. Renu Agrawal. Without their cooperation, I would not have been able to discharge my duties effectively. Besides, I also feel indebted to my bench secretaries, Shri Shyam Kumar Shukla, Shri Ajit Kumar Singh. In addition, I would also thank Shri Dilip Kumar Yadav, Shri Mansaram, Shri Chandrabhan Yadav, and Shri Shiv Pratap Singh. I express my gratitude for their continued support to my sevaks, Shri Ramchandra, Shri Sudhir Kumar, Shri Sarvesh, and Shri Vijay, who have stood with me day and night. My special thanks are due to my driver, Shri Anil Kumar Soni, and personal security officers, Shri Rajendra Yadav and Shri Aditya Yadav. I also express my thankfulness to the entire protocol team of this court, which has in all odd hours extended their support so that I could discharge my duties without any hindrance and obstacles. अंत में आप सभी के लिए मैं अपनी बात महात्मा गांधी के एक संदेश से समाप्त करता हूं। उन्होंने कहीं कहा है, मैं तुम्हें एक जंतर देता हूं, जब भी तुम्हें संदेह हो या तुम्हारा अहम तुम पर हावी होने लगे, तब तुम यह कसौटी अपनाओ। जो सबसे गरीब और कमजोर आदमी तुमने देखा हो, उसकी शक्ल याद करो और अपने दिल से पूछो कि जो कदम उठाने का तुम विचार कर रहे हो, वह उस आदमी के लिए कितना उपयोगी होगा। क्या उससे उसे कुछ लाभ मिलेगा? Before concluding my speech, I once again thank you all. Jai Hind.
झूठे रोकते हैं दिखाने के लिए, दिखाने के लिए रोकते हैं झूठे।